Donald Trump's vision for border security, economic growth, and American innovation, a long-term strategy for national prosperity. Mr. President Donald Trump's policies have often sparked debate, but his approach to border security, economic innovation, and the revitalization of American manufacturing has garnered significant attention for its long-term implications. By emphasizing domestic production, reducing reliance on foreign powers like China, and focusing on border security, Trump aimed to create a foundation for sustainable economic growth and secure opportunities for future generations. Here's an analysis of why his policies resonate with a segment of the American public and how they could benefit the country in the long run. Border security, protecting resources and opportunities. Trump's focus on strengthening border security reflects his belief that a secure nation fosters economic stability. By controlling illegal immigration, he argued, America could prioritize resources for its citizens, including job opportunities and public services. This approach aligns with the idea that unchecked immigration can strain social systems, undercut wages in certain sectors, and create competition for jobs that might otherwise benefit low-income Americans. Moreover, a secure border is linked to reducing the influx of drugs and human trafficking, which drain societal resources and harm communities. By addressing these issues, Trump framed his border policies not just as a matter of security, but as an investment in the safety and productivity of American society. Bringing manufacturing back home. One of Trump's most notable economic strategies was incentivizing companies to bring manufacturing back to the United States. This policy is rooted in the idea that outsourcing production to countries like China has hollowed out American industries, leading to job losses and weakened economic independence. By imposing tariffs on foreign imports and offering tax breaks to domestic manufacturers, Trump sought to rebuild industries that had once been the backbone of the American economy. This strategy also had a national security dimension. By reducing reliance on foreign supply chains, particularly in critical sectors like technology and pharmaceuticals, Trump argued that the U.S. could safeguard itself against potential disruptions or coercion from rival nations. Innovation as a driver of growth. Trump's administration placed a strong emphasis on fostering innovation within the United States. By prioritizing policies that supported the tech industry, infrastructure development, and energy independence, he aimed to create high-paying jobs and position America as a global leader in innovation. For example, his focus on deregulation in sectors like energy led to the U.S. becoming a net exporter of oil and gas for the first time in decades. This not only created jobs, but also strengthened America's geopolitical position by reducing dependence on foreign energy sources. Reducing wasteful spending. A critical aspect of Trump's economic philosophy was redirecting government spending from foreign wars and international aid to domestic priorities. He criticized the trillions spent on prolonged military engagements in the Middle East, arguing that those funds could be better utilized to rebuild America's infrastructure, support education, and spur economic development. This shift in focus has implications for the younger generation, as reduced military spending could free up resources for initiatives that directly impact their future, such as advancements in education, healthcare, and technology. 1. Job creation. Rebuilding domestic manufacturing and supporting innovation create high-quality jobs, reducing unemployment and underemployment while bolstering middle-class incomes. 2. Economic independence. By reducing reliance on foreign production and supply chains, America can protect itself from economic coercion or supply disruptions in times of crisis. 3. Generational opportunity. Investments in domestic industries and infrastructure create lasting opportunities for young Americans, ensuring that the country remains competitive in the global economy. 4. National security. A secure border and robust domestic production reduce vulnerabilities, making the U.S. less dependent on potentially adversarial nations. Challenges and criticism. While Trump's policies have long-term potential, they are not without challenges. Critics argue that tariffs and trade wars can lead to higher consumer prices and retaliatory measures from other nations. Additionally, balancing economic independence with global trade partnerships requires careful diplomacy to avoid alienating allies. Donald Trump's policies on border security, economic innovation, and the revitalization of American manufacturing represent a vision for long-term national prosperity. By prioritizing domestic production, fostering innovation, and reducing wasteful spending, these strategies aim to strengthen the American economy, create opportunities for future generations, and enhance national security. While implementation and outcomes remain subjects of debate, the principles behind these policies resonate with those seeking a stronger, more self-reliant America. In God We Trust, published by John Yasin Gokturk,